Hello guys, welcome back to another question. The question is from inverse trigonometric functions and the question is find the values of each of the expressions and the given expression is tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4. I hope you all remember the standard formula from NCERT book, that is tan inverse of tan x is equal to x, and the range of tan inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Let's try to apply the formula on the given expression. The formula is tan inverse of tan x is equal to x and the expression is given over here. So when we apply, we get our answer as 3 pi by 4. Let's check whether 3 pi by 4 lies in the range of tan inverse x. No, it does not lie. So we cannot proceed directly. We have to somehow transform the given expression to another form and then apply the formula. Let's move to the next slide. Okay, now I hope you all remember one identity, that is tan of pi minus x. So tan of pi minus x is actually is equal to x. Let me highlight it here. This thing is actually is equal to this, where x is equal to pi by 4. So we wrote tan of 3 pi by 4 as tan of pi minus pi by 4, which further simplifies to tan of minus pi by 4. Now we check whether minus pi by 4 lies in the range of minus pi by 2 or not. Yes, it lies. So we can now proceed further to apply the formula. Our formula was tan inverse of tan x and the value of x is minus pi by 4, which is actually lies in the given range of tan inverse. So our answer comes as minus pi by 4. I hope you all got it. Thank you.